site of Bowes Castle. Bowes Castle was built within the ruins of the Roman fort of Lavatrae. The castle site is on a route which is one of the few upland passes to link England and Scotland and was strategically important during the medieval period. Around 1136, Alan de Bretagne, the Count of Brittany, built a timber castle in the northwest corner of the old fort. Later, royal concerns over security led to Henry II investing heavily in a new castle structure on the site between 1171 and 1174. It was unusual for a new royal castle to be built in this part of England during the 12th century. Driven by a military threat from Scotland before and during the Great Revolt of 1173 and 1174. Henry II spent almost £600 on the castle between 1170 and 1187, most of it in the first few years, rebuilding the older structure under supervision of the Count of Brittany's local tenants, Torfin, Osbert and Stephen of Barningham. The rebuilt castle featured a hall keep, an uncommon design in English castles. Built of stone, this was a 3-storied structure, 82 feet long, 60 feet wide and 50 feet high. A ditch formed an inner defensive bailey around the keep, with the ramparts of the old fort forming a larger outer bailey. A mill, an essential part of any castle, was built by the River Greta to supply flour for the garrison. The village of Bowes was built after the castle and formed a planned site running up to the castle, complete with a church, a marketplace. This form of planned village is again unusual in England. From revolts and attacks and sieges, the castle has been burned and damaged. Handed down through families together with local rebellions, it has a rich history that really should be looked into, and more is added below. In the 21st century, the castle was controlled by English Heritage and operated as a tourist attraction. The ruins to the keep survive, largely intact, and are protected as a Grade 1 listed building and as a scheduled monument. Admission is free during daylight hours.